What excites me the most about working with Frederick Douglass is just the energy. And there's that energy of the students who come into the kitchen sometimes for the first time, and when they're met with the right standard, it's beautiful.
My dreams before attending Frederick Douglass, they were like any young man, I want to go to the NBA, I want to be an astronaut. What helped me was making good food. They didn't want me to be the next Gordon Ramsay. They wanted me to be myself.
My hopes for the students, I want them to take what they have learned here, the soft skills, the hard skills, take them to the real world. Show up on time, be attentive, take initiative, be creative, do the work. Just be successful with your life.
At Fahrenheit Cleveland, I am the pastry and pantry cook. I've taken a leadership role that Chef Diaz pretty much set the standards to. And I just live by that every day.
Cooking is something, if you put your hard work into, you can excel. And this program here gets you that foundation and helps you to excel the right way. There's not a bad habit you're going to learn here, and if you want to get into this industry, you have to start out the right way, and Frederick Douglass does it the right way.
Whatever you put in your body is going to reflect. Whatever you're reading, whatever you're listening to, that determines who you're going to be, not just today, but tomorrow. So make sure you wash your vegetables, make sure you have your clean knife, make sure you look appealing, make sure that you smell good. It just shows that kind of character. I think that's one of the reasons why I want to be a chef, because it changes lives.